Here we go. What kind of a fish have you found today?
This one is a gizzard shad, so this is a freshwater herring species.
So is this a good one or a bad one?
This is a good one. So these guys are actually really successful in spawning. We see a lot of young of the year of these guys, and these guys are algae feeders.
Now, you do this 2 times a day, every day, picking up the nets to see what's going on?
Yeah, so April, May to June, twice a day, every day.
Okay, are you winning the battle against the bad fish?
I think we are, especially in the marsh. We've seen a lot of good recovery in the marsh with our submergent plants, and a lot of that has to do with keeping the carp out.
Okay. Now, this is quite an elaborate system here. It's a lot of work and it's a lot of expense to keep things going and to do this, but why is it so important that this keep going, that cootes is sort of kept as clean as possible?
You know, it really is a really good natural system for water filtration. Not only is it a good place for fish and wildlife, but for us from a water quality perspective and just naturally instead of from a stormwater perspective.
Okay. A question that came to my mind was, okay, if you have the bad fish here, you just put them back in the water again. I don't know. I'd probably get rid of them.
So we used to. It is a lot of work. It's really expensive to get rid of them. They are considered contaminated, so they would have to go somewhere that can take contaminated material. So you don't want to put contaminants on, say, crops that people are going to eat or in food for dog food. Like you don't want to be giving that to your animals.
So it's called containment.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so they go back to the harbor, and eventually with the premise that they will have their population crash.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.